children, how are you? Today we are going to learn about land and water masses. We have learned that we live on the planet Earth. It is spherical in shape and big in size. It is a spherical in shape. This is a living planet. That is also known as living planet because only the planet Earth has air and water. All human beings, animals, birds, everything living on the earth. Okay, children, the whole of it cannot be seen at a time. So, we have made a model of the earth to study it. Okay, children, what is the model of the earth? Yes, globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Observe the picture. It is round shaped like the earth. Only one part of the globe is seen at a time. In order to see the other side, the globe has to be rotated. We have learned that the surface of our earth is made up of land and water. Okay, children, our earth is made up of land and water. Look at the globe. The blue color on the globe show the area covered with water. That is 71% of earth is covered with water, 29% of the earth covered with land. That means land forms are continents, water forms are oceans. Okay, these land forms are divided into continents, water bodies are divided into oceans. What is the use of the globe? You can find the locations on the earth. Example, continents, oceans, countries, sea routes, even important cities also you can find on globe. Okay, children, it is used for locating the places on the earth. Okay, there are 5 oceans. Observe the picture. The water bodies are divided into 5 oceans. There are 5 oceans. 5 oceans are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. Okay, children, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay, children, 29% of the earth is covered with land. These land masses are called continents. Look at the picture. The land masses are called continents. The very large part of the land on earth, the whole land masses is divided into 7 continents. Did you understand, children? The land forms are divided into 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents on the earth. Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Each continent consists of several countries. Each and every continent has many countries. Our country lies in the continent of Asia. Where is our country located? Yes, India is located in Asian continent. Okay, children. Now, differences between globe and a map. Look at the pictures. This is a globe. This is a map. What are the differences between globe and map? Yes, globe. We can't see all the continents, oceans at the same time on the globe. Only we can see our part of the earth at the same time. But on a map, we can see all the continents, oceans. You can see at the same time on a map. This is the differences between globe and a map. One thing, Maps are folded and easily carry anywhere. Okay, but globes are difficult. You can't carry easily one place to another place. Okay, children, these are the differences between globe and map. Next, direction. There are four main directions. How many directions are there? Four directions. They are north, south, east, and west. These are the four main directions. Okay, children. You can locate places with the help of directions on the map. The four main directions: north is toward your upper end, south is toward your lower end, east is toward your right, west is toward your left. These are the four main directions. Okay, children. On a map, always the top part of the map is north, bottom is south, your right hand side is east, your left hand side is west. These are the four main directions. Next, look at the picture. This is a compass. What is the use of the compass? Do you know, children, what is the use of the compass? You can find directions with the help of a compass. The directions can be found with the help of a compass. Okay, children. Okay, I will revise once again. Earth is a living planet. It is a spherical in shape. Globe is a model of the Earth. You can see land and water bodies on the Earth. These are oceans. There are 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Okay, children. Next, continents. There are 7 continents. They are Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Differences between globe and map. You can see all the places at the same time on the globe. You can see all the continents, oceans on the map at the same time. There are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east, and west. These directions are found with compass. Okay, children. Now I will ask few questions. Okay, children. What is the shape of the earth? Yes, it is a spherical in shape. What is the model of the earth? Globe is a model of the earth. How many oceans are there? Yes, there are 5 oceans. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Okay, children. How many directions are there? Yes, there are 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. Okay, children. Did you understand? I hope you have understood. Thank you.